Here we are, we've actually made it. It was a really nice walk down, but I wish I could have filmed it, but as you can see from the weather, it's pouring down with rain. Ben Lomond's here. I know you can't see it, but it's acting shy today and hiding behind all of the clouds and rain. But we're just down at Lomond Shores, and let's go in. Here we are inside. It's quite noisy and a lot warmer than outside. And a bit weird that it's full of water, but it is drier. There's herrings, some jellyfish, and some unicorn mermaids, and some pirates. And pig, can you compare that? And some cups. I'm sorry, I've really sniffled all the way through this. I have like the worst cold coming back. I thought I'd just get rid of it. And how cool are these? These are made of glass. Like these are for the little penguin. Here we are entering the coral reef. Some climate change and pollution warnings, so we've got to help protect it. Let's see what we've got in here. We've got some fish and this cool coral. Now I remember when this first opened there used to be eels in this tank, but I don't think there's eels anymore. These are really cool. I wonder which one's Nemo and which one's Marlin. And over here we've got some blue damsel, green chromis. I'm not a very fishy person, so I'm really sorry if I get these names wrong. Just at the otters, now they're about to get fed in 15 minutes, so they're out and about, getting really lively. These two are adorable. Now they're all related. I'm pretty sure one of them's called Polly and one of them's called Chip. There's a mum and a couple of babies. I love them. Hopefully catch the feeding in a few minutes. Here we've got lots of what I think are trout. There's not actually a sign to tell me what they are. I know that some of them are just huge. We've got some dogfish in the corner here, just having a wee chill out. These wee guys coming to say hello. I think I just gave them a fright. I'm so sorry guys. Sorry. Just follow them over here to see this big guy. Oh my goodness. The size of this lobster. You can't really see it on the camera too well, but it's got some blue bits on it that I really love. There's a dogfish just having a wee swim. That's what the two in the corner look like. And there's another lobster in the corner there. And the sea urchin in the back. I watched a TV programme the other day, I can't remember what it was called, but there was some pretty brutal sea urchin destroying going on with some of the fish. They were just ripping it apart. Apparently, like, they're pests in some places, like, they need to be controlled. It's a bit dark in this corner, but there are so many dogfish here. Wow. These are related to sharks, which is pretty cool. There's like a starfish, just about to be photobombed. Always changes his mind at last minute, this wee guy. And a crab. That's cool. Looks like a spider crab, but I'm not sure if it is. I love it. I think if I could be a mermaid, I would love to live under the water. We sign here beside the otters, and the otter's fur is so fluffy. And on a nice day, you can go outside and have a wee look at the loch and everything. And if they're not out and about, they're sometimes in here sleeping, but as I said, they're due to be fed, so they're being really noisy, running about looking for everybody. Here they are there. This is new since the last time we've been here, and look at the size of the crab that's living in here. He is huge. Oh my goodness. He's living in some sort of boiler room tank. Just running around all day. You can tell the lighting in here because of the way the camera's going. But here's some perch. I'm pretty sure they're perch. Craig will probably correct me, but I'm pretty sure he used to fish for these when we were younger. Are these perch? Here you can see some more in a separate tank. Goes all the way around. And these, some more. The signs change every 2 seconds. It's really hard to tell what they are. There's a sign saying roach, there's a sign saying perch. I don't know what these are. I know that all these fish in this area live in the loch just outside. Like this big guy. But I don't actually know what they are. And there's lobsters here. I don't think there's lobsters outside. I mean, if they're here in this area, they must be. But all I can really see is this needlefish down here, which you can't really see. Oh, there he is. I don't know if you can see him because he's right in the dark, but he is. He's in there. No. Oh, a little bit. See that shape? This one here? That's a lobster. There's a front view of that boiler tank thing. It's actually shaped like a crab. That's so cool. It's got wee eyes. And some claw feet. There he is, just having a look there. Oh, I love that. So I was totally wrong with their names. So we've got Lily, Pickle, and Cub. Now they are all related, I was right about that, but Lily is the kind of lighter looking one, and apparently she's a bit feisty with the other otters, and the staff here as well. She's the mum. So the kind of lighter looking one, lying there, just there. It's the mum and the other 2 are the babies. Here we are, the feed's just about to start, so we can try and see what we can get of this. Here we are in the deep sea tank. Got some rays here just resting at the bottom. I don't know if you can see at the back. There's kind of a really big dog-tooth shark. Fish in here, huge. All the rays lying at the bottom. Oh, we've got some pot-bellied seahorses here. Those are really cool. Look at this wee guy in the back. What's he doing? He's just having some sort of dance. I'm with him. What a spirit animal. The slithering of the tank. There's some long snout seahorses. These are beautiful. They kind of look a bit like dragon fruit. Wow. And here's some at the bottom. I'm slightly concerned this one might be dead. Oh no, it just blinked. It's fine. Everything's fine. But this one, look at how fast his fin's going. Apparently the slowest creature here is the seahorse. And these ones here that I was just showing you turn red sometimes. This is in the back, we turn red to match our floating debris. Here we have some shark and ray eggs. Those are cool. These are called mermaid's purses. And when I was wee and we lived in England, they used to wash up all the time and I used to get really excited about finding them. If I step back, you can see that inside the tank there's a shark's jaw. That's cool. I like these guys, they're quite peaceful. There's only 4 of them in this huge tank. Some of them seem pretty crowded in this place, but these guys have got quite a lot of room to play with. Here we're in what's called the Bay of Rays, which is a big tank in the middle. And all the fish are swimming around in a big circle, and there's a few rays in here. There's one down here, a tiny little one. If we go down here, there's a really big one coming our way. Wow. Does anyone else have that wee Mr. Ray song in their head? Again, I remember this being quite a lot more fish when I was wee. But maybe it's better this way because there's not so many. The bottom used to be littered with rays. There's a big one coming. He's coming to say hello. He's just got a bit camera shy. Let's go to him. Hello sir, would you like to be on film? I'm going to take the fact that he stopped as a sign, and the one that was over there clearly wants to be a star because he's following me. Now over here, you can see right in here, there's some eels, which I believe are the ones from that used to be at the front, just right in here. You see him? I think he's a moray eel, that's quite cool. And you can see either the tail of another one over here, or that guy is just really huge, but I feel there's a few of them in there. So it says the rock pools are currently closed and they'll be open shortly. There's a wee crab toy here. So we've got a tank here, some wreck fish. So these would be down at fish wrecks. It's a bit warped, but if you step back you can see the tank's a bit funny, so that's why the camera keeps going a bit funny. But they look a bit like goldfish, eh? Except from those eyes, they've got like really blue eyes, the white walkers of the fish. Oh my days. We've got a whole tank full of clownfish. A whole bunch. There must be about 60 to 100 in here. There's so many. What I don't understand, right? Finding Nemo has led me to believe that they live in sea anemones. There's none in this tank. Where do they live? Do they just stay here for the day and go and sleep somewhere else? What's going on? Dory's over here by herself. Oh no. These are some cool fish though. This guy seems to just be swimming through the bubbles, having the time of his life. Do you know what, guy? I'd be the same. See, when I go to lazy rivers and there's bubbles, I do exactly the same thing. So I totally understand where this guy's coming from. In real life though, I think he must be trying to get rid of parasites or something. But he's cute. There's a tropical blue lobster in here and I couldn't find him anywhere. Then I noticed he's right in the corner here. Tiny, tiny little guy. Just chilling out. These guys are called Popeye Catalufas and they are cool. I love their tank. This skull thing is fantastic. They look like the bad boys. Like, they look a bit like piranhas, but I don't think they are related to piranhas. They are so cool looking. I've never seen one before. It's like they've got mohawks. Guys, I think I've made a friend. He keeps following me around. Can we take him home? As you may have noticed, Chris is not here, so I think we could get away with stealing him and hiding him under the sink, maybe. No? You're probably right, it's best to keep him here, where he'll be looked after. So we're in the predators of the sea section. There's some landmines in this tank. These kind of look like puffer fish, but I don't think they are. I'm not enjoying how they've got rid of all the signs to tell you what the fish are in here. Like, that would be really helpful. but they are pretty cool looking. They've got some pretty cool eyes. I don't know if one will stay still long enough. There we go. Can't really see because of the light, but they've got kind of neon blue eyes. And then over here we've got some really cool like lionfish. Wow, this guy's handsome. He knows he's a daddy. And there's another one of those cool mohawk fish that I can't remember the name of that we literally just saw. A bit bigger though. Oh, this guy has got some cool, I think he's a cowfish actually. Another lionfish up there. What's that wee shrimp out of Finding Nemo called? Is it gill? No, jacks I think. Keeping his wee bubbles. And this wee guy, oh I think he's going back in. Come back out, it's okay. I want to put you in on our channel. Come back out, it's fine. I think I interrupted a chat they were having. Oops, sorry guys. And here we've got the big boys, the sharks. And there's a big sea turtle in here as well. Somewhere. But currently, oh, he's huge! Oh my goodness. We're gonna go and get a better look in a wee second when we go through the tunnel. But it's a bit quieter here because it's really busy today. So I thought I'd show you here with like not many people. Those are so cool. There's some more rays. I was just about to show you this wee guy here, but he was just disappearing. There's another shark coming over. That is so cool. A lot of people are scared of sharks, but I for one am obsessed. Dear me, I was that busy focusing on the sharks, I did not notice this huge guy right here. He's been sitting there that whole time. Look at the size of him. I don't even know what kind of fish he is. He's just huge here. Got a really cute looking ray. Oh, the sharks. We've got some guitar fish. Which are relatively sharp. They're huge. They're very similar to like snuff sharks in the way they just lie at the bottom. There's another scary big guy at the back. I don't know what kind of fish they are, but they are huge. Here we are at the gift shop, so we've got lots of pirate stuff. Some cool hats, hooks and swords in black and pink. And we've got some pirate flags over here. And more of those little glass things that we saw earlier. Some pins you can collect. There's a really cute octopus one here. And a penguin one. Oh, look at this ray. How cute is he? Lots of really fun ones. You can buy the pin starter set along with a pin. So these are £12. And all the other badges are £3.50, or you can buy the lanyard by itself for £5. But if you buy the starter set, it comes with 4 pins. Actually, I love this bag. Plastic ain't fantastic. We know I love mermaids. I've got a ton of mermaids over here. They're of all different sizes. These must be like my favourite though. Like little emo unicorn mermaid things. Little tropical one. You've got them again in a smaller size. They are really cute. Look at like the cutest little ray here. I love him, he's so soft. He's £8, and we've got some sharks up here which are £8 as well. Some slightly bigger ones, £12. And some little dolphins. And seahorses, oh my goodness, these are adorable. These are £4. Some little crabs and octopuses. Octopuses? I'm not sure, probably got that wrong. And the sleepiest looking turtle in the world. It's got a really pretty flowery shell.